Why are tech giants like Salesforce and Nvidia doubling down on venture investing to shape the future of AI? What do their shared bets, including companies like World Labs, which is bringing AI into the physical world, reveal about where the industry is heading? In 2025, both firms are on a VC tear, each making 30 plus investments so far. But it's 7 startups they back together that offer a clear signal of emerging AI trends. In this video, we spotlight these overlapping deals and explore patterns behind the intersecting CVC strategies. I'm George Geis, and this is AI Venture Watch. All right, so we have here a common Nvidia and Salesforce investment prompt, and I'm going to bring out an infographic which shows these overlapping investments. And here they are. We're going to go over these one by one. Let's start with Mistral, a large language model company. So Mistral is a French company specializing in Gen AI, established in 2023. It's frequently cited as Europeans' leading AI startup and a credible competitor in this space. Some of its models can process large context windows, up to 128,000 tokens, make it suitable for complex applications that require a deeper understanding. So this is Mistral. Now you'll see that here's Salesforce, here's Nvidia. Both of them have invested in Mistral. In this case, a pre-money round with a valuation of around $5.4 billion. That's Mistral. Let's move on and take a look at Cohere. Now with Cohere, we're moving from France to Canada, a Canadian AI company that is specializing on models and solutions for enterprises. The company distinguishes itself by being enterprise first, with strong emphasis on privacy and compliance AI systems, is setting itself apart from consumer-facing companies like OpenAI. So this is Cohere. You can see, once again, here's Salesforce, here's Nvidia, and there's arrows pointing in both of their directions. They've made multiple investments in Cohere. A pre-money valuation recently of $6.3 billion. Moving on to another company they've co-invested in. Let's go to Sushi. Sushi, tongue twister, is an AI-powered platform. This is a smaller company as far as market cap is concerned. It develops enterprise productivity tools. The company is known for U.com, promoted as the missing link in enterprise AI, making it possible to build accurate and secure AI solutions that sift through vast data sets and bring understanding and context and precise meaning for enterprises. So this is Sushi. You can see, once again, here is Salesforce and Nvidia investing in their B round, pre-money valuation of $320 million. Moving on, let's go to Together. Together is in the cloud service space. Let's take a look at it. Together provides an AI acceleration cloud platform that specializes in the development and training, fine-tuning of AI models, leveraging primarily open source type technology. Founded 3 years ago, the company positions itself as enabling developers to build AI-driven applications without requiring extensive resources. So this is Together. Again, not in the LLM space per se, but more in the efficient cloud service market. And once again, the arrows are pointing. Salesforce participating in Together's Series B, pre-money $3 billion, and also Nvidia leading in earlier and continuing to participate in Together's A series. So both of these companies are backing Together. Now let's go to Hugging Face. Hugging Face is also a company many of you are familiar with. We'll take a look at it. It develops open source tools, machine learning models, platforms. It's a platform for hosting pre-trained models. Up to over 1 million models are hosted. So it really is kind of the environment or the platform where learning models, and open source tools are gathered together. It positions itself that way. Hugging Face, an open source AI framework and libraries platform. And once again, Salesforce and Nvidia investing. Salesforce, in fact, led Hugging Face's D round with a pre-money of $4.27 billion. Now, there's a couple other companies we should look at, including Runway. We've talked about Runway a little bit before, but Runway, recall, is an AI company focusing on developing technologies for creating videos and multimedia, multimodal content. Its core objective is to integrate AI technologies into creative and artistic fields. We're offering an intuitive user experience, trying to remove technical barriers. Refer to an earlier video where we went into Runway in more detail if you're interested in this company. So it's in the space that has to do with film and video production. And here is Salesforce and Nvidia. In this case, post-money, we've got the valuation showing at $3.55 billion, according to PitchBook. And Nvidia has invested multiple times in Runway as a company. So again, a common investment to stimulate this vertical industry, which has to do with creative film content and other content to be able to develop from text sources, text prompts, and other means. Now, then we finally go down here to World Labs. Now, World Labs is an intriguing company. It is a spatial intelligence company in San Francisco, co-founded by Fifi Lee of ImageNet fame. The company is focused on developing what are called LWMs, large world models, to perceive and interact with the 3D world. And it has introduced a core offering which is capable of generating interactive 3D worlds from a single 2D picture. World Labs. Now, World Labs is interesting because not only are Nvidia and Salesforce both invested in the company, they participated in their B round, pre-money of $900 million. But if you look at the deal in more detail, this goes back to September 13th of 2024. You'll see that some very prominent names are also invested. Obviously, VC firms like Andreessen Horowitz. But look at some of the other names that are here, including Mark Benioff from Salesforce, CEO. You see many prominent names here. Reid Hoffman from LinkedIn fame. And you also see, let me take a look. Oh, Jeff Hinton of backpropagation fame, obviously a pioneer in the area of deep learning. So this is World Labs, and you can see this company is receiving a lot of attention. But no, it's also true, by the way, that NVIDIA and others are working on their own products to develop models for the physical world. But NVIDIA is clearly, as Salesforce, thinking about the future. Now think about Salesforce and 3D worlds. If, for example, Salesforce can provide its customer, like say a real estate customer, with means of developing a much more immersive customer experience, that real estate company develops an app where customers really feel like they're in this property that they may be exploring. You can just let your mind go wild as to how Salesforce could support enterprise application development within a 3D world. All right. So as Salesforce and Nvidia channel billions into companies like Mistral, Cohere, Hugging Face, in particular World Labs, they're investing in AI hardware and AI software, particularly enterprise software ecosystems. as well as developing a future where intelligence isn't confined to data centers, but actively shapes physical reality. An era of physical AI is approaching. We don't know how soon it's going to be here. It's complicated. It's much more complicated in understanding a language which people thought was complicated, but is nowhere near as complicated as the physical world. But an era of physical AI is approaching, promising radical transformations and challenges that redefine how we interact with the world around us.